Anil, what happened? Why this question? Will we have class today? Of course, it's Friday, and we will have a class on Friday.
I joined today, like in Guarta, and I
Okay.
did practice with someone. But I thought that I subscribed the plan for 15 minutes. That is not enough because of
You
like 10 minutes.
subscribed, you joined.
Yeah.
Okay. I did not. Did you use my referral code?
Yeah, actually, I go through your application,
I
like your
went
link.
through.
I
I
went
went
through
through.
your application. Yeah,
Hmm. Okay.
yeah. Then I never. I think was no. They need any code. They asked. They didn't ask
No,
any
no, no,
code.
no, 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 no. They won't ask any code. The thing
Mm.
is, because if you use my referral, I would get the information like your friend has joined. But my question
No,
is, did you subscribed already? So have you already done a demo class before on Ingvarta?
no, 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 no. I just
Then how do
direct
you have the
joined.
app from before?
Like in 2024, I joined there, but
Ah,
I thought is audio call is not good for me, so that's why I joined Clapping Go.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So, so actually, okay, I agree. 15 minutes is not enough, but it's at least some practice. But
Mhm.
if better than zero, no.
Yeah.
15 minutes is better than zero. Every day, 15 minutes. You can,
Yeah.
of course, do more. And what I like about this platform is that there's a lot of material they share, videos on
Mhm.
vocabulary, quiz, if one
Mhm.
wants to, they can really benefit from it. But
Mhm.
importantly, I used to think the same about audio calls, that
Yeah.
it's not good enough. But in
Mhm.
video calls, the only advantage you have is of body language.
Mhm.
There are a lot of people who feel very shy, insecure, underconfident.
Mhm.
Also, people who are on the move, people attend these classes while they are going to office, while they're
Mhm.
commuting. So, this is something that you can do anywhere you are, whatever.
No, yeah, but I thought that like that teacher was also not interested because I'm not saying that I thought after listening her voice, I thought that she was lying on the bed or
Oh,
something like that because her voice was like that. When I said that,
okay,
ma'am, your voice is not clear, then maybe she get up and sat down. Then I got
okay.
some a clear voice. Then again, I faced the same problem. Sometime her voice is was coming, or sometime not. But
Did
it's
you ask
okay.
for her
Yeah.
name?
No, I didn't ask her.
Okay. Did she introduce herself?
No, because we don't have a time that much time. So she just asked me that why you joined here, who told you. Told her that uh, one of my clapping goes teacher where I am doing my English private. I am doing my English practice privately. So she suggested me to join there, and it will be good for you. So that's why I joined here. So like, okay, okay, I understand. And she asked some questions, and that's all. Like regular question, the people are asking me the same
Yeah, yeah,
questions.
yeah. What feedback did you get? Did she give you her feedback?
Yeah, she like in audio call or in any
No, no, no. In the audio call, there's
audio call.
feedback
Yeah,
time, right?
yeah. So she gave me that audio feedback that your voice and your tone is very good and everything is good, but she said that you are uh, using unnecessary and everything is okay, but you in like we don't need that but you are using that
Yes,
mostly.
yes.
So like always you also said the same thing and she also gave me the same feedback. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay. So that's what she gave you. That's what she told you. All right.
Yes. Yes.
So see, so you've subscribed for a month, is it?
Yeah, 24 25 days.
25 days. Okay, give it a shot, see how it goes. And frankly speaking, I feel it benefits if we really practice. See, Anil, these errors are there. Now you have to consciously, we say another idiom, the ball is in your court.
Yes.
The ball is in your court means हम लोग, we can only tell you. The effort to correct those lies with you, has to be made by
Yes.
you. So this
Mm.
is something we can slowly, consciously try and reduce. First,
Mm-hmm.
maybe out of 10 times, you will cut out 2 times.
Mm-hmm.
So when we speak, see, already you are getting more conscious about. Yes, am I
No,
not audible now?
now it's good.
Could
Before
have been,
that, your
no, no,
voice,
no, no,
yeah,
don't. Yeah, could have been the network. No, sometimes
yeah,
it.
yes.
So the ball is in your court. You have all these resources. You have our sessions together. You have Ingvarta. It is about improving. See, I will not tell you change your accent. No.
Mm-hmm.
But the small, small things, simple, simple, as far as grammar is concerned, as much as we can correct.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The present tense, past tense. Yeah.
Yes.
And
Mm-hmm.
this sometimes prepositions we make a mistake. Everyone makes mistakes in prepositions. It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Though it's a good idea to learn. You've learned in, on, at now,
Yes.
right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So it is so like that. As we learn, the aim should be to improve,
Mm-hmm.
get more
Yeah.
error free. Yes.
Mm.
So
Yes.
you will get there. You're doing well. You will get there. But it's important to practice and consciously
Mm.
practice.
Yeah.
Whoever you speak with, from now on, decide my focus is will be accuracy. My focus will be accuracy.
Accuracy. Yes.
That's it. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, today let's do a conversation more than grammar. We did gerunds
But I,
yesterday and all.
I, I,
Yes,
I
we will go through the homework.
wrote
We'll go through
something.
the homework.
No,
Absolutely.
this.
After that,
Yes. Yeah. Continue,
after
ma'am.
that, after that,
Okay.
after that, we'll have a conversation.
Okay. So can I read or
Yes,
we can
please.
talk?
Please.
Yes.
The ball is in your
Actually,
court.
yeah. Actually, yesterday night I wrote something, so I was very uh,
Excited.
fond or excited,
Utsaha.
very fond to tell you, or
Very
very excited.
excited to excited. Fond matlab
Excited.
fond, I'll tell you. I'm fond of, for example, I'm fond of chocolates. मुझे पसंद है. Fond
पसंद
means
है,
पसंद.
okay.
हाँ.
पसंद, okay.
Yes, I'm fond of you. मतलब मुझे आप
Hmm.
पसंद हो. ऐसे fond.
Hmm.
Okay.
Fond, okay.
Excited. उत्साह. मैं उत्साहित हूँ.
उत्साह.
I'm feeling
Hmm.
excited. I'm excited
Okay.
to tell you. So this also,
Okay.
see, make mental notes of these. These are good instances, experiences. So now you know
Hmm.
what is fond and what is
Yes,
excited.
yes. Yeah. Hmm. No, I need
Who's that
that correction. Like
Who's that
you
gentleman
always,
on the calendar? Who's the gentleman on the calendar?
Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh.
Acha, what is his name?
I also forget his name, like
Rawat.
something.
Some Rawat.
No,
I know
his name.
Pushkar Dhami is the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, CM of
I, I,
Himachal,
I know his name,
Sukhwinder
but
Singh Sukhu.
Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu. Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, please.
So,
Yes.
there is Anil. Do your karate practice properly. Polishing technique is not a piece of cake. Is it correct?
If it's not correct, I will tell you. You're doing well. It's
Okay.
good.
Okay. One decade. What is the spelling of decade?
Decade, DECADE. Decade.
Okay, decade. Okay.
10
I
years,
thought, yes.
decade.
One decade, I was thinking English learning is not a piece of cake, but
Okay.
I understood if you follow all English rules, then it is a piece of cake.
Okay. So for one decade, एक
Okay.
एक दशक के लिए. So your sentence is correct. Just add for 1 decade.
Okay.
एक डेकेड तक मैं सोचता था ये आसान
Hmm.
नहीं है. फॉर वन
Uh,
डेकेड.
okay. Okay, 1 decade. Okay, for 1 decade. Mm-hmm. Now I understand. I was thinking English learning is not a piece of cake, but I understood if you follow all English rules, then it is a piece of cake.
ओके. बट यूजुअली
Okay.
एक ही सेंटेंस में सेम एक्सप्रेशन दो बार आइडियल नहीं है.
Okay.
वैरायटी नहीं आती है. सो
Mm-hmm.
बट इफ यू फॉलो ऑल द रूल्स, इट इंग्लिश लर्निंग इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट और इट इज
Difficult.
easy.
Okay.
Okay, so that you can say.
Okay.
Okay, because
City
piece of cake एक बार यूज किया, सेकेंड टाइम यूज किया तो वो ना मोनोटोनस हो जाता है. इट बिकम्स
mm,
मोनोटोनस.
monotonous means?
मोनोटोनस मीन्स मोनोटोन. मोनोटोन मीन्स एक जैसे,
Okay.
द
So
सेम वे. एम
mono
ओ. Okay,
mo
monotone means monotone. Monotone means one tone. Ta. So if I in my
monotone.
house everything is white, everything, the walls are white, the furniture is white, everything is white, it's monotonous. Monotonous.
NES. N
Monotonous. This is an
NOUS. Okay.
adjective. A
So, but like,
monotonous.
what is the meaning of this in Hindi?
In Bengali we say आगे हो जाচ্ছে. My life, my daily routine is monotonous. एक ही चीज रोज कर रहे हैं बाबा. सुबह उठना, काम पे जाना, घर आना, खाना पीना, सोना. अरे क्या मोनोटोनस लाइफ है, वैरायटी चाहिए. इट्स द ऑपोजिट ऑफ
Boring
वैरायटी.
life?
Boring. Monotonous. See, monotonous is not necessarily boring. Monotonous means everything in the same fashion.
Okay.
Everything being, there is no change when it's unchanging. That is
Okay.
monotonous. Okay, so some people find routine is nice. They like
Mm,
monotonous life. They like, I wake up,
mm,
I go to work, I come back. No, Baba, no, I don't want excitement. I don't
yeah.
want variety. I'm happy. But for many people, they want change.
Change. Yeah.
Right. So similarly,
Mm-hmm.
in sentences, where I'm coming. If the sentence I use the same thing again and again, it becomes monotonous.
Mm-hmm.
It is not
Okay.
necessarily boring, but
Mm-hmm.
it some variety will improve.
Okay.
That's all. Okay.
Mhm. And yesterday I learned one new vocabulary, city dwellers.
City dwellers.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
So now
city.
I want you to
Mm.
today. Sorry. Today, did you get any vocabulary on Ingvarta? Did you see the YouTube video that they share a video with 3 words?
No, actually, I joined there and then um, I was waiting for their call because there was waiting for 8 minutes.
What time is your session? What is the
My
time slot
session,
that you've
like
selected?
I selected from 7 to 7:50 because I know
Okay.
from 8 we have a class, so that's why.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. 7 to 7:50. So, no, I'm saying there will be vocabulary that they share every day. It's
Mm-hmm.
important that you try. I'm suggesting this. Try and use at least one or two of those words on your call.
Okay.
See, we know a lot of words, but we don't use them. Theory
Mm.
में आती है, practical में use नहीं करते हैं. So ये
Mm.
this कोशिश, or else you share it with me. We will use it
Mm.
on in our sessions.
Mm.
Okay,
That's the
like
reason I just,
hmm.
sorry.
No, continue.
No, no, so that's the reason I wrote eight idioms, but out of eight, I just did practice some like three or four because some of
Okay.
the very difficult, like fell down, get back up. I I didn't find any proper sentence in my mind, so that's why I left that.
That's
Yeah.
okay. That's okay. We shouldn't have to force also. Should be something,
Mhm.
and it should be something that you can use in your everyday practical English.
Yeah.
Okay,
No,
so
why
city
I
dwellers,
use,
yes.
yeah, why I wrote these things, because I thought that if I repeat again and again 5 times, 10 times, maybe that will set on my mind, and
In my
then I
mind.
can
Set
use in
on
my
is
mind.
here.
Yeah,
In,
in my mind, in
on,
my mind.
in my
Yeah.
mind. So this visual idea. So where to use on, where to use in, on the terrace, in the
Yeah.
room, right?
Yes.
We sit on the sofa,
Mm.
right? So all of this. So this use imagery in your mind. On in,
Yeah.
ऊपर
Okay.
अंदर.
Okay. City dwellers think that villagers are living a good life, and villagers think opposites.
Think the opposite.
Think the opposite. Think
This is
the.
not, see, ये सब माइनर एरर, दिस आर जस्ट माइनर फाइन ट्यूनिंग. आप ये द ना नहीं बोलो तो भी आपका एक्सप्रेशन करेक्ट है.
Mhm.
Okay, so
No,
just
sometimes.
because I correct you doesn't mean you
Uh-huh.
are wrong. That's what I'm saying. Okay.
No, I am happy that you are correcting me, because in earlier time when we did practice in clapping Goa, and you was just told me
You
that
were,
you
or
were.
no were. So if you told me, so were is you were telling me. When be
Okay.
were plus ing, no continuous.
Okay.
So you told me.
You told me that Anil, there is was, and you like interrupt me, or मतलब टोकने
Interrupted
को,
me. You
टोकने corrected me. So that's why I learned that word. So I'm happy that you are use like doing that.
But
So I don't mind.
but that was essential. This is okay. Even if you skip
Yeah.
it, okay. I just want to say
Mm.
that.
Okay. Mhm. Think the opposite. It is not like that. Like suppose here I wrote B, but I wanted to write but, but I forget that right. I forget to writing that.
I forgot to write it.
I forgot to write it.
It's okay. Now you write it. It's okay.
Yeah. But it is not like that. Surviving in new place is not a piece of cake. People think that it is a piece of cake.
Okay. So you've used piece. This whole passage is about piece of cake.
Yes.
Good.
Making any habits is not a piece of cake.
Hmm.
Uh, After 6 months of karate training, everyone
After
create
six
ego.
months, yes,
Yes,
six
yes,
months, no.
after, yes, yes, yes.
हाँ तो
After
बोलने में
six,
नहीं हुआ.
yeah, after 6 months of karate training, everyone create ego. Ego आ जाता है तो क्या बोलेंगे उसको?
Everyone becomes egoistic.
Okay, become.
Or every egoistic, you can say egoistic. You can use arrogant,
No, till
egoistic,
now
arrogant.
egoistic is all. Otherwise,
Arrogant भी सेम है. Arrogant मतलब मुझे बहुत मालूम है. मैं बहुत
uh,
जानता हूँ.
became, became or
Everyone
become?
becomes. Becomes.
Become.
Everyone is singular. Huh?
Okay.
Everyone, each one, someone, no one, singular.
So everyone become
Becomes,
egoistic,
becomes.
becomes egoistic, ego,
Egoistic. ISTIC.
istic, egoistic, and start thinking karate learning is
Everyone.
a
Everyone. So, and
everyone becomes
becomes
egoistic
becomes egoistic, and verb
and
start is a verb. So, third person singular.
starts.
Ah, because we are still talking about everyone, no?
Yes.
हम everyone के connection में ही बोल रहे हैं ना. Everyone
Mhm.
becomes. Everyone
Mhm.
starts. Right?
Starts thinking karate uh, learning is a piece of cake, is a piece of cake.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Here you can use egoistic. You can also use overconfident.
Yes, overconfident and arrogant also. Mostly people
Yes.
are thinking when we mate, then understand they increase their arrogance or egoistics. Yeah.
Ego is or
Over,
ego. Oh,
yeah.
हाँ बोलो. Yes.
Ego is a good word for here, or egoistic or arrogant, because overconfident, that maybe that person have overconfident, but he listen to his teacher. But
Right.
egoistic and arrogant person is not listening.
Whatever. See, you are the person who is out there. You know ये ego है कि arrogance है कि confidence है. आप जानते हो. आप decide. I am giving you options.
No, no, I'm telling you that I am right or not. I don't know.
Am I
I,
am I right or
I
am you're not telling me, you are
am I
asking me, am I
asking?
right or not? You're
Am
right.
I right? Yeah. Okay.
You're right. I'm just suggesting
Okay.
other words, but you choose
Mhm.
whichever is correct for your situation.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay.
The next one is don't stop, don't stop. Push your limits. City dwellers are fine, comfort zone, but you are villagers, so don't lose your hope. Push your limits.
Okay. City dwellers are fine. Again, ye R is not necessary.
Okay.
Acha, but pehle I want to understand what you mean by this.
Uh, आप like गांव के लोग, actually I wanted to use this city dwellers also, or push your limits also. So
Got it.
I wanted, yeah, I wanted to say that city dwellers people always try to take a rest. I need a rest for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but you are a villager, you always do lots of work. So why you are taking rest, why you are losing your hope? You just do and go
Okay.
forward. Don't
Okay.
lose your
Got
hope.
it.
Yeah.
Got it. So city dwellers, you can say, like to be in their comfort zone.
Okay.
City dwellers like to be comfortable.
Comfort.
Instead of are, you can use
Uh,
like or prefer.
like.
City dwellers को आराम पसंद है.
Okay.
City dwellers
Prefer.
like comfort or prefer comfort.
Prefer. Comfort. Okay. Comfort.
But you are a villager.
But you are a villagers. Villager.
A
Villagers
villager,
or
हाँ.
villager? Villager.
Na? If you use
Yes.
a, then it is singular.
Yes. A
If you don't use
villager.
a, you are villagers. Then
Hmm.
it can be s.
Okay. You are a villager. So don't lose your hope. Push your limits.
Good.
Okay, suppose if any student are not doing properly, or I
Any
have to
student
motivate
is.
any student
Any
is
student
any student is not doing properly. So at that moment, suppose I have to motivate him. So I can, am I, mm, can I say don't stop, push your limits?
Come on,
Is it
don't
correct?
stop, push your limits. Come on. Yes,
Okay, okay,
yes. Get out of your comfort zone.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Hmm. School principal said one gave one uh, instruction that from today no one is speak in Hindi. Everyone should
No,
speak
no one
English only.
will.
If
Okay. No
no
one
one,
should or no
no
one
one
will.
should. Okay, no one will speak Hindi. Everyone have to
Has
speak.
to. Everyone singular. Singular. So
Has to.
everyone has to. Yes.
Everyone has to speak English. Otherwise,
Very
if the
good.
teacher did any mistake, if the teacher do mistake, we
Teacher
will
does.
fire.
Singular.
Does if the teacher does mistake, we will fire them. or we will fine them 200 rupees per day,
Okay.
or if the students do the same thing, we will fine 200 rupees,
Okay. We will impose a fine. Or we will
impose a fine.
okay, we will impose a fine. Very good. But then suddenly, as a they should give you some time to get children and teachers to get
No, the
used to the
student is
routine.
also not interested to talk in English. I told them like everything that yesterday principal sir sent message in the staff group. So from today you have to speak in English only. सर कौन देखने आ रहा है आप करो ना चुपचाप. So I thought that this is good idea that I
It's
have
a
to
good
speak. I
idea.
get a chance to speak with them, but the students are not interested.
They will not understand now. You
Yeah.
know, they will understand later when they are 22, 23. Then they will
Yeah.
join a spoken English platform
Yes.
because then they realize for job interviews, I need English. For career growth, I need English. That's when they
Yeah.
will learn what to do.
Yeah. Yes.
We try to teach them, beta,
Yeah.
don't commit the mistakes that I made.
Yeah.
Learn from other people's
Yeah.
mistakes. No?
I told them that you know very well that I am learning this language because like I face a lots of problem in my past. So why you are doing these things? You have a chance. You can speak with them, with the teachers. No, sir, everyone laugh. So I said, don't talk with them. You can talk with me. Like I am also very fond to learn this language. So
I'm also
you
very
can
fond of learning.
fond of learning.
Yes. When we use
Okay.
fond, we will
Mm.
always use of, not to.
Okay. Okay. Fond of.
Okay. I am fond
Mm.
of ice creams. She's fond of sweets. He is fond
Mm.
of chocolates. Fond
Mm.
of.
Fond of.
Okay.
Okay. So can I go further?
Continue. Yes,
Next,
yes.
further is the correct word.
You are doing so
Okay.
well, Anil. You know what? I'm
Mhm.
proud of you.
Oh,
No,
I
seriously, I
don't
was
know.
thinking that and I got an opportunity to say this. I'm proud of you
Okay.
for doing that and you are another idiom. You are improving by leaps and bounds.
Leaps and
By
bounds.
to improve by leaps and bounds. मतलब एकदम
Le leaps.
आप look at
Leap.
the
Yes.
look at the chat box
Okay.
to
I'll just take
improve
a screenshot.
screenshot. To improve by leaps and bounds means एकदम uh,
Hmm.
you're improving really well. Not thoda thoda, not by little, but really good improvement. So you
Okay.
can use this for your karate. My God, you have practiced well. See, that's why you have improved by leaps and bounds.
Leaps and bounds.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm. The next is Tobi Yokogiri. It's a Japanese word. Tobi Yokogiri is not a piece of cake. So don't take in easy way. Just push your limits. Is it okay?
Correct.
When I left my village and start living in the
When
in the
I left
city,
my village and
when I left my
ये
village,
चीज and
starts
started
living,
started
started.
no
Okay.
left past tense यूज किया ना leave left
Mhm. Left,
तो ये भी
yes, left.
started होगा ना
And yes, and started living in the city.
yes
The city,
very good
yes, okay.
in the city
In the city, I changed myself and start calling myself city dwellers
again
instead
started calling
of
my start again started this entire sentence is in past tense Anil
okay.
and started so every verb should be past I changed myself that was correct and started calling myself a city dweller
ci- city dwellers instead of villagers.
instead of villager singular I know only one person A city
Yes.
dweller instead of villager.
A villager. Instead of villagers. Villager.
Villager, yes.
Mm. The next one is you always run 10 kilometers and I gave you instruction do 20 rounds. So push your limits.
Okay, good. I
Oh,
gave you
I thought
instruction,
you.
or instead of I gave you instruction, just a suggestion. This is not wrong. Again,
Mm,
improve.
mm.
Instruct can be used as a verb. I instructed you to do 20 rounds. This is just a different way of making. Okay, you
Okay,
always do 10
instructed you.
kilometers and I instructed you. Here, instruct becomes a now
Instructed.
verb. Remember, we did verb, noun. So, instruction is the noun,
Mm,
instruct is the verb. Instruct,
mm,
instructing, instructed. Okay,
mhm.
I
Yes,
instructed you to do 10 rounds.
instructed. Did you?
Gave instruction is correct if you use it as
Okay.
a noun. If you use it
Mm,
as a verb, I instructed you.
okay. I
So,
gave
what you
you
wrote is
instruction or I instructed you, no?
correct. Both are correct. I'm just
Okay.
suggesting, giving you another suggestion.
Okay. Do okay. I always watching Hindi videos instead
I
of English video.
always present tense. So watching
Mhm.
नहीं होगा. Watching is
Always
something
watch.
happening right. Ah, I always watch. Watching जो अभी
Always
हो रहा है, मैं
हो
देख
रहा है.
रहा हूँ.
Mhm. I always watch Hindi videos instead of English video. I just try to use this instead.
Very good.
Yeah. So is it
It's
correct?
correct.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you.
You are
I
growing
have
by leaps and bounds
to I have to
in
push
your.
myself limits. And also I just improvise this line that there was the line that push your limits. So I try to write, I thought I ask you that I have to push myself limits. Is it correct?
My limits. Push my limits.
My. Okay. Push my limits. Okay. Okay. Push my limit. I have to push my limits. Okay. Shivam, while doing kumite, you always on your toes.
You always on your toes. Okay, you should be okay on your toes. Like you should be attentive.
Yes.
Okay. So आप उसको instruction दे रहे हो ना? You're instructing him.
Yes.
You
Yes.
should be always on. You should always be on your toes.
Okay. You should.
You should be. हाँ तो आपको
Should
हमेशा
be.
ध्यान देना चाहिए.
You should be on your toes or always.
On you should always be. If you want to use always, you should always be, or you should
Okay.
be
You
on your
should
toes.
be. Okay. You should be on your toes. Mhm. This is not a uh, village. 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 What I wrote, I forget that.
I
Because
forgot.
forgot this is not a village and city dwellers villagers and city dweller is not going to accept your mistake. Okay.
Ah, this is not a
Okay,
village, and
this
city
is not a
dwellers
village.
will not accept.
Will. Okay. Will not going to accept, is it correct or
No, no, no.
only
Will
accept?
not accept. Simple present tense. Will not
Okay,
accept.
your mistake, your mistake. So keep on your toes.
Be on your toes. So be on your toes. Be
Be on your
attentive.
Be on your toes. Okay. Walking on the road and watching mobile is not good for you. Be on your toes
Okay.
and cross the road, reach your safe place, then watch or do whatever you want.
Okay. Reach a safe place or reach
Reach
your destination. आपको अगर
reach
योर
your
यूज करना है, हाँ,
reach a safe place. Okay.
यस,
Reach a safe place, then watch or do whatever you want.
करेक्ट.
Okay. Children, be on your toes. I
You are
just
instructing
wrote,
children, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Children, be on your toes.
Okay.
Correct.
Children, be on your toes. While crossing the road or uh, mm, fighting, stay on your toes. I don't know. I think the word did mistake, so I forget. Like the spelling is also mistake, no? While crossing the road, be on your toes.
Hmm.
Okay. If you lose one championship, don't sit at home. Just fall down, get back up.
Get back up.
Is it
Correct.
correct?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Instead of don't sit at home, you can say,
Mhm.
okay, that's also, it's not wrong because this is how you presented. I would say, if you lose one championship, do not lose hope. It is एक और expression है. It is not the end of the road or end of the world. It is not the end of the road. मतलब ये रास्ता खत्म नहीं होता है.
Mhm.
Fall down, get
This
back up.
this is this is also idiom or what?
It is a saying. एक बोल
Same.
बोल चाल, हाँ. It is not the end
Okay.
of the road. Actually, end of the road is an idiom. End of the
Okay.
road. मतलब बस यहीं पे we've reached the end of the road, you know. It could be
Yes.
not for the road, it could be for anything. I've reached the end of the road in my association with this organization. I've
Mm.
reached the end of the road in my company. इसके आगे मेरी
Mm.
कोई growth नहीं है. This is the end of the
Mm.
road for me. Now I should move out. So end of the
Yes.
road मतलब यहाँ तक खत्म है.
Mhm.
Okay, so it is
Okay.
not the end of the road. You can say that.
Okay. Following
Children, if you
own
lose the
fashion.
championship, हाँ.
Mhm. Yeah, you
Children,
saying, ma'am?
if you lose a championship, don't, it is not the end of the road. If you fall, get back up. Or if you fail, fall, get back up. Okay?
Yes. Following own passion is not easy. If if it was easy, everyone would do it or follow it.
Very good.
I heard about you that you are not well, so I came here to touch base.
I came here to touch base. Okay. It's not wrong. I came here to check on you.
Okay.
मैं चेक करने आया कि कैसे हो.
Mm.
टच बेस,
Okay.
अभी व्हाट वी डिस्कस ऑन द मैसेजेस, टच
Yeah.
बेस मतलब टू जस्ट कनेक्ट, टू गेट इन टच. आई केम
Yes.
हियर टू गेट इन टच, ये तो नहीं है ना. आई केम हियर
Mm.
टू एनक्वायर, टू फाइंड आउट अबाउट यू. So get in touch. So Anil, I'll touch base with you next week, and we will fix our classes. So I'll just connect with you. It is it
Connect.
is just the first step. It's the first step कि connect करना. बस वही है touch base.
Connecting
उतना ही है
something,
touch
no?
base. Connecting with someone. That's it.
Okay.
जो first step होता है ना, वही है touch base. I heard about you. I decided लो, so वो सब हो गया ना. You've already connected. टच बेस
Mm-hmm.
हो गया पहले, तो अभी आप उनके बारे में पूछने जा रहे हो, राइट?
Mm-hmm.
सो दैट
Mm-hmm.
टच बेस विल नॉट एप्ट ओवर देयर. इट्स नॉट एप्ट, एपीटी मतलब नॉट करेक्ट ओवर देयर. टच
Okay.
बेस इज जस्ट फर्स्ट कनेक्शन.
Okay.
ओके, आई विल टच
Yeah.
बेस विथ यू, और ही टच्ड बेस विथ मी.
Yeah.
ओके, वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ
So,
टाइम.
and I finished that call.
You finished it. Wonderful. Let me message you. Let's see if we can connect on Sunday also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I will drop you a message about next month's classes, and also
Okay.
for Shivam's we will touch base.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
all right.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
Good
Bye, ma'am.